If you keep sensitive data on spreadsheets, you'd probably want to keep it away from prying eyes. Aside from the usual precautions you can take, on Microsoft Excel, you can opt to password protect the document itself. Here's how to get to it. To start, fire up Microsoft Excel and load in the document in question. If you just need to protect a single sheet, click on the Review tab at the top of the window, then select Protect Sheet. On the window that pops up, set your password, then review the listed permissions below. Ticking an option will allow other users to perform the stated task without entering in the password you'll set. Once you've looked over all the permissions, click OK. Then re-enter the password in the window that pops up to set the password for that sheet. To require a password to access an entire workbook, click on the Protect Workbook option from the same menu, or click on File at the top right, then Protect Workbook under the Info tab. On the menu that pops up, select Encrypt with Password. A window will then pop up for you to set one. Type in the password you want to use. Then confirm the password you've set to encrypt the workbook. And that's all there is to it. If you liked this guide, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for all sorts of videos covering Microsoft Excel and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.